back to my garden. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you what's happening in my garden at the minute. There's going to be a load of noise. My children are outside playing with me. Well, they're outside. I'm supervising and doing the garden at the same time, and they're just running riot. Pretty standard for me. Yeah, so today I'm just going to transfer a cherry tree. I'll help you now in a second. Give me a second. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer a cherry tree that I grew from seed, and then we're going to just pot that and see how it gets on. I'm going to show you what I did to another cherry tree and how it's coming along. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'd love to have you on here to my channel. See you in a second. You going to use your pedals, Saoirse? Feet on the pedals. It's not working. Put your feet on the pedals. Come on. Yeah? And push. Push, push, push. Okay, let me see. I got you. Oh, we're doing it that way, are we? Okay. Okie dokie. So in my kitchen window we had these two beauties growing. But as you can see, one is obviously taken from the other. That being a tomato plant and then my cherry plant. Now, I don't know if you know, but cherries are actually very stingy. They actually have a lot of thorns. So we need to help her come along on her own. Not to be dependent on the rest of them. So let me just separate this tomato tree without hurting my cherry. Cherry tree roots are quite sturdy, they're quite hardy, so she should be fine. Let's just push her. Get off the road. You're not going to come over here and help me. Okay. That's pretty decent. And this, I'm going to need a bigger pot for her in a second. Okay, so I have these, let me see. I think that one should be okay. It's enough room for the roots, maybe this one. Now I'm going to take a cane and put it into the tomato. Like this, and we're going to tie it up. Okay, so here is the inside of my tomato greenhouse. As you can see, they're coming on quite a lot. Now, a little trick for you when you're growing your tomatoes. If you just give them a slight little shake like that, tomato flowers are self-seeding, or self-pollinating rather, so they need a little help, especially in a greenhouse, because they're not going to get, there's not going to be a lot of bees and stuff coming in here. So yeah, just give them a little shake so that they can self-pollinate. So I have a few coming up here. Also keep an eye out for sucklers. So these ones here, see these ones here, these are suckers. So they just kind of take the goodness, you just pick them off so that we don't get things unnecessary. They just make the things very bushy and you don't get a really good harvest. So yeah, there's a little tip for you. Now this one here, we're going to put her in here as well. But I just want to show you this one first. This was my lemon tree, or sorry, my cherry tree. I have two of them. This one is the one I put into the greenhouse a couple of weeks ago, and she's really come on. But I do have a lot of excess tomato plants grown. They just seem to seed everywhere. This is my dahlia. I have no idea what's happening here. I exposed the root just so that it might actually help. Like, it has all the conditions needed for it to actually germinate, but I just don't know what's going on with it. It looks fairly healthy, it's not producing anything yet. So I thought maybe a little help might be needed. This is my lemon tree, which since I put her into the greenhouse has absolutely flourished. Look at all these gorgeous new ones that are coming up in loads of different colours. So I'd say give her another year or so, we might actually get a bit of maybe a lemon or two. But yeah, she's doing good. Oi. And now I'm going to put my tomato plant, another one, in here and let her get going with the rest of them. And I'm actually going to put the other cherry tree in there too, so just let me go grab it. And I'm not going to put her in on a water thing. Maybe shall I put her in here? Is there enough space? No. There's another one in. Stop it, Saoirse. So, actually, do you know what I might do? So I'll put her on top of this cherry tree, so I have the two of them together. Now, go inside there, Papa. Okay, so I've just put one on top of the other. Or shall I? I don't know what to do. I might just leave it here, actually. So I'll leave it there. She'll be fine. There's enough space there for her. In the corner. Right. And she's doing good. Now I'm just going to lock that up. It has plenty of water. It's all the conditions it needs. It's fine. I'm just going to show you some of my other plants who have started to come on. These ones up here on the stand have been pretty basic. They're not doing too good and they're not doing too bad. I need to retrim this one again. I have no idea what's going on with this one. She does good and she dies back. We have a funny relationship, this one. But we have a nice pink bud. Ooh, how pretty. So at least we have that. And hopefully with any luck we'll have a few more eventually. I just want to show you some other ones here. Peony Rose isn't doing too much. Saoirse, move. Peony isn't doing too much. I'm not happy about that soil, but we'll see what happens. The Dipladena, you're fine. The Dipladena isn't doing too much either, but at least we're getting some new growth in there, so that's something. What's that now? It's a bit of dead. It's fine. Yeah, my Christmas tree has really started to blossom, and I've also started to get these yolks in, and I have no idea what they are. I think they may be some kind of a lily. I'm not sure. I'm just going to wait it out and see what happens. Pull all my weeds while I'm here. But that's it, really. Then I have my lettuces here, and three pots of them, so they seem to be doing all right. Potatoes up there. I need to put some more compost into that, yeah. And then I have my rose bush, which is in full bloom and looking lovely. Stop it, you cut your finger. And then I have my Asian lily. I love these. I think they're just so beautiful. So pretty. The only thing is you can't touch them because you see that? I don't know if you can see there, but there is orange pollen. And that pollen is so strong. And it will stain everything. So yeah, best to keep away. One of my dahlias has really come on as well, so we're going to have a few buds on that. Nothing on this one yet, but it's early days. Yeah, I'll get to them. And let me see, what else have I? The blueberries, the purple ones. Yeah, my lavender has really come on as well, getting good growth on that. Plus I've also noticed that some of it is reshooting, so I'm going to be able to make duplicates of this in a while. I see one other little bush starting there in the corner, so I'll be able to put that into a pot. And then we have the blueberries. Okay folks, so I'm just going to finish up here. I just replanted some of the spring onions and let the bigger onions have that one tray there. I also put one just into a little pot on its own. I put some extra clay into my potatoes here just so that they can have a bit more space, and then I